Another morning, another excuse to ride. But this time we will be speaking to a champion. And we have given him a machine which has created champions. The FTR 1200 to ride. Welcome to the OTR Dirt Park. Simranjeet Singh, better known as Simran King, has won 1000cc titles in the JK Championship in 2015 and 2017, and also was on the podium in Bahrain Superbike Championship in 2019. Simran was also part of the Team XBHP Racing in 2019 with the GSXR 1000 when he came third overall on the podium. And his father won the 600cc title as well. He often does off-roading to hone his skills. But as we were saying, he is on a different beast today. The Indian FTR 1200 is a race-inspired version of the American flat track that has won them many races with the 750cc race version. In our opinion, the FTR 1200 is one of the most beautiful bikes ever built. With a 1200cc engine pumping out 123 horsepower and 120 Newton meters of torque, it is also a fantastic machine both off the road and on road. So let's go.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed what this man had to show you on a motorcycle like this, because trust me, it might be called the FTR 1200, which actually means flat track racer 1200, but this definitely is not a light bike by any means. This is 230 kgs, 1200cc, 123 horsepower. The bike which is this is based off is actually the FTR 750, which is raced in the Americas in competitions. They had to make a road version, so they decided that they will of course get the powerful one on the road, the 1200cc. Otherwise people might not buy them. But definitely they hit the nail on the head, because when this was launched in India, I absolutely drool over it, because there was no other competition in this segment. You can get the Ducati Scrambler, you can get the Triumph, maybe the Thruxton, but this has its own charm. Born in 1901, it's got a legacy of its own, and up till now we were thinking that Indian motorcycles are only meant for cruising into the sunsets on big burly chrome laden cruisers, but this had changed our perceptions, especially people who were not aware of that they had an FTR going on in the Americas. But the man of the movement here is Simran King here, and if you don't know why he's called the King, it's because he's a 1000cc champion in the JK Championship, which is held in India. If you're watching this out of the Indian subcontinent, you might know that we don't have too many tracks in India. We're still in a nascent stage, but the track which we have, the Booth International Circuit in the north of India, it's absolutely world class. It's an F1 class track, the only one in India, and this man has aced it. So welcome Simran King. Personally, I've been seeing his father, who's Mr. Gurvinder Singh Matharu. He was the earlier 1000cc champion. Simran, my first question to you is that how did you start riding, and how much role did your father had to play?
So earlier I was used to do stunt riding. Then my dad pulled me into track riding, because I will perform everything in a safe environment, in a controlled environment with all medical facilities. And then I started when I was 17. I started going to track on my CBR 250R. For 1 year I have ridden that bike. Then I switched to 600RR. On my very first track I crashed on it.
Achha.
And I broke all of my bike. Then I slowly gradually learn how to handle big bikes and how to control big bikes on track, and then slowly fighting with my own lap timings, I improved myself. Then I switched to 1000cc. That was my first year. In 2015 I rode 1000cc for the first time, and I was champion in 1000cc category. And then after that I regularly breaking my own lap records and own track records at BIC, Booth International Circuit.
Usually in India, families stop you from riding.
Yes.
But what did your family do?
My family was supported, because my dad is into biking from a very long time. So my mother and dad and whole family is supportive in terms of riding bikes on track.
Your father, when he was racing in 1000cc, how much did you learn watching him?
I learned things like riding safe and be on the bike, make the man win the race and win everything.
So,
Yeah.
is it possible to ride as fast as you are and be safe at the same time?
Yes, that includes many years of practice and many years of experience. Like you crash and learn each and small thing from single crash. Same happened with me also. So I have did many crashes and learn a lot from them. At this point, I'm riding in this speed and doing faster lap timings. And I see, yeah, I have 1 second there and I have 1 second there. I can go much faster there. But still, I'm doing the fastest lap.
What's your lap timing right now?
156.
What is the effort which is required to go from 156 to, let's say, 155?
So it's like changing many different settings in our bike, exploring and each and every corner very precisely, doing lap times very precisely and consistently for 1 second. That's a lot of money to change in
Lot
our
of
bike
money,
also.
lot of
Lot of
effort.
efforts, yeah.
The same track, the same bike, maybe different settings.
Yes.
But what drives you finally to do all this?
So basically, riding is a different experience, which means like freedom. So I do track riding, and I have just started off-road riding also to explore my limits and to be into biking and explore new things in biking. Like I have done road trips with you, and I've started off-roading riding, and that means exploring different things in biking. That's all.
You also have a brother, younger
Yes,
brother.
yes.
So you are 26 right now.
26.
What's the age of your father?
46.
46. बहुत अच्छा number, a very good number. 46, 26. What is the name of your younger brother?
Sahej.
Sahej. How old is he?
21.
21. ठीक है. I think he's also started doing 600.
Yeah, he's riding ZX6R, and he's also doing consistent faster lap timing. My dad has clocked 2 minutes 2 seconds on same bike, and my brother is doing 2:4, like
Arre.
2 seconds off my dad's pace.
Wow. Is it going to be an Alex Mark Marquez situation very soon?
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So suppose Sahej is first
Okay.
and you're coming second
Yes.
in the 1000cc.
In a race, it's just rider and a bike. There is no relation. Basically, you and your bike, nothing else. You just have to.
For you, he is just a person you have to overtake.
Yeah.
You have to
He's
win.
just a rider.
He's just a
rider. Yeah.
Right, ठीक है. So I hope that Sahej is also watching and he's
Yeah.
देखना भाई, ठीक है. Why did your dad decide to shift from 1000 to 600?
Okay.
Was it because of you?
या बिकॉज अगर दोनों सेम कैटेगरी में रहते तो ट्रॉफीज ज़्यादा नहीं आती. सो बेसिकली दैट शिफ्टेड टू 600 फॉर 600 चैम्पियनशिप एंड ही पुश मी इनटू 1000 बिकॉज ऑफ बेटर कंपटीशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द 1000cc ऑल्सो.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप तीनों you race in the 1000cc class, you come first, second, third. एक बार होना चाहिए यार, वो भी होना चाहिए।
बट एक्सपेंसेस 1000 सीसी बाइक के वो बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं एक ही बाइक के, तो तीनों बाइक मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल है।
So talking about that, what is the difference between a 1000 and a 600?
बेसिकली 600 इज़ कंट्रोलेबल एंड 600 में टायर्स भी लेस यूज़ होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लेस पावर।
Right.
इन 600 के जो भी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं लाइक फ्यूल इकोनॉमी एंड एवरीथिंग, टायर्स, टायर वेयर, ब्रेक पैड्स वेयर आर लेसर देन 1000।
Okay.
On the opposite, 1000 requires almost 2 sets for a day,
अच्छा।
तो वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है। इन 1000 एक्सेलरेट ज़्यादा करते हैं तो उसको ब्रेकिंग पावर भी चाहिए, तो उसके लिए ब्रेक पैड्स भी एक्स्ट्रा आते हैं और उनकी फ्यूलिंग भी एक्स्ट्रा होती है। 1000 के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स भी डिफरेंट होते हैं, तो उनको भी मेंटेन करना वो भी डिफरेंट टास्क होता है, क्योंकि सेम थ्रॉटल बॉडीज़ यूज़ हो रही हैं। ECUs भी बस थोड़ा सा डिट्यून करा होता है 600 को, पर मोर ओवर 600 भी BIC पे वो टाइमिंग्स कर रही है जो 1000 सीसी के राइडर भी नहीं कर रहे होते। तो ऑलमोस्ट 600 भी बहुत ज़्यादा केपेबल है, पर कंट्रोल्ड पावर में है, तो आप इजीली राइड कर सकते हो और कंफर्टेबली राइड कर सकते हो।
How expensive is racing? What is the actual expense, let's say in one season, let's say 1000 cc, एक साल का एक सीजन में कितना लगता है?
1 मंथ का करूँ तो 1 मंथ में 2 ट्रैक डेज होते हैं, तो 1000 सीसी में 2 ट्रैक डे मीन्स 2 सेट ऑफ टायर्स एंड 1 set of tire costs somewhere around 46,000. Slick tires, then fuel. Preparing a bike is a whole different thing. Like I've bought S1000RR and I have invested and I have put 5 lakhs of parts on it to make it track ready. Preparing a bike is endless. Approx 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs के आसपास in total.
चलो ठीक लगा लेते हैं, 15 लाख रुपए एक साल का 1000 cc। आप दिल्ली में हो, यू आर इन दिल्ली, ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट इज नॉट एडेड, somebody is from south has to add a transport cost.
Yes.
This is not including the cost of the motorcycle.
Yes,
So let's say 50 lakhs
Yeah.
to start with. First year around 50 lakh रुपए
50 lakhs.
to prepare the bike and buy the bike and everything. And if you go for a 600 cc, maybe आप 15 लाख रुपए 10 लाख रुपए कम कर लो उसमें।
Yes, yes,
It is very expensive.
very expensive.
It is like literally, you know, घर वाले बोलेंगे, कोई और सोचेगा, it is like literally burning.
Yeah.
You know, पैसे को आप जला रहे हो, like you
जला
know,
रहे
fuel everything. What is the difference between riders in India, especially the mindset, and the riders, let's say, number one from Malaysia, Thailand, जो ये वाला region हो गया, and then people in UAE. Third, अगर आप बात करें तो ब्रिटिश सुपर बाइक चैंपियनशिप होती है उस वहाँ पे उस लेवल पे यूरोप में, तो इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
Basically, in India, we don't have culture for biking. Biking is like a dangerous sport. So families doesn't support riders or like their family members who are riding bike. In Malaysia, UAE or other countries, they have proper culture and they have less taxes on the rider who is riding on track. They get lesser price for tires also on track. They get all like sponsors, brake pads and tires also. So तभी वो कल्चर बिल्ड होता है। क्रिकेट जैसा कल्चर जैसे इंडिया में है, बाहर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में या फिर वो वैसा है बाइकिंग का कल्चर। जितना बेसिकली हम 1 ईयर में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ना, वो 1 मंथ में प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं उतना। तो बेसिकली ट्रैक राइडिंग टाइम, बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैक यहाँ पर एक्सपेंसिव है, इसलिए वहाँ पर वो रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस अपने आप को पॉलिश करते रहते हैं। द फास्टेस्ट राइडर वॉज डूइंग 155,
अच्छा।
द स्लोएस्ट वॉज डूइंग 201
On a 600
on a factory bike.
factory bike.
Factory riders and factory bikes
WSB के and MotoGP riders अगर यहाँ पे आए BIC पे, what timings do you think they will do?
might be doing around 148, 147.
147,
MotoGP will be doing 145
145. Are you talking about on their MotoGP spec
on their bikes.
On their bikes.
On their bikes.
अबे आपकी 1000 RR पे कितना कर लेंगे?
Might be better than mine time, 3-4 seconds better.
3-4 सेकंड ज़्यादा नहीं, तो मतलब रॉसी आएगा तो सिर्फ 3-4 सेकंड ज़्यादा तेज होगा।
Because of new track,
अच्छा,
उसको लर्न करने में भी टाइम लगेगा।
मतलब पहली बार में वो 152 151 कर देगा।
हाँ।
What is the ideal age to start? And इंडिया में स्पेशली बिकॉज ट्रैक्स बहुत कम है, 3 ट्रैक्स हैं,
Yes.
कहाँ पे स्टार्ट करें? गो कार्टिंग ट्रैक में जाएं, ऑफ रोडिंग में जाएं, किधर जाएं?
So basically they can start from off-roading. So they can get off-road grip,
What is the ideal age to start with?
9-10.
9-10
9-10.
ठीक है।
And they can start riding off-road. Any dirt bike or small mini motorbikes. Any
Are
bikes.
they available in India?
Yeah,
Okay.
they are available. यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ताकि आपको टारमैक की ग्रिप पे आज डिफरेंस पता चल जाए और यहाँ की ग्रिप पे भी डिफरेंस पता चल जाए। अगर आप जब भी डर्ट में चलाते हैं तो आपको ग्रिप हैंडल करना आता है कि फ्रंट एंड कहाँ जा रहा है, रियर कहाँ जा रहा है, तो आपको हैंडल करना आता है। इसके बाद आप ट्रैक पे जाएंगे तो आपके लिए वो बहुत ईजी है। पर अगर आप ट्रैक से ऑफ रोड में आ रहे हो तो आपको बहुत चीज़ें अनलर्न भी करनी होती है, जैसे कि मेरे को बहुत चीज़ें अनलर्न करके यहाँ की अडाप्ट करनी पड़ रही है।
ऑफ रोडिंग कर ली, उसके बाद पहली कौन सी बाइक हो सकती है और कौन से ट्रैक पे?
They can start with KTM RC390. They can switch to 600. आपको स्टार्ट करना है, अगर आप नॉर्थ से हैं तो BIC से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. We get schools also here, and if your guys are from south, they can do Curry or MMRT.
बट वन मेक चैंपियनशिप हेल्प्स.
Yeah, one make championship helps.
अच्छा.
बिकॉज जो कंपटीशन होता है साथ में, आप किसी बेटर राइडर के साथ में चला रहे हो तो वो आपको भी बेटर इम्प्रूव करता है. तो आप सेकंड रेस में और ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करोगे. एक सीजन में आप इतना इम्प्रूव कर जाओगे जितना आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते.
अच्छा, कॉस्ट कितना होगा वन मेक चैंपियनशिप?
ज़्यादा कॉस्ट नहीं होता, क्योंकि अगर वन मेक चैम्पियनशिप में बाइक उनका होता है, आपको बस एंट्री फीस पे करना है. जो आपका एंट्री फीस होता है 2500 होता है, और आपका जो लाइसेंस आता है वो अराउंड 1200-1500 के आसपास आपका लाइसेंस होता है, और आपका जो ट्रैवल कॉस्ट होता है. दे कैन स्टार्ट बाय जॉइनिंग एनी राइडिंग स्कूल.
अच्छा, दैट इज नेसेसरी.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
तो वहाँ से आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है. आप वो सर्टिफिकेट के साथ FMSCI की साइट पे जाके
अच्छा.
एक फॉर्म फिल कीजिए. ऑनलाइन फॉर्म है. आप ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल करके अपना लाइसेंस फिल कीजिए, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट कीजिए, उनको सेंड करो अपने सारे ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी. तो विद इन वीक और 2 वीक्स वो आपको रेस लाइसेंस आपका सेंड कर देंगे. और वो जो एक रेस लाइसेंस होता है वो एक्सपायर्स एवरी 31 दिसंबर. तो 1 ईयर का रेस लाइसेंस होता है वो. तो उसमें डिफरेंट है कि आपको ऑन रोड करना है, ऑफ रोड करना है, या फिर रैलीज. तो डिफरेंट टाइप के उसमें रेस लाइसेंस होते हैं.
ठीक है. अच्छा, बेस्ट 1000cc बाइक फॉर यू?
BMW S1000 Ara, which I'm riding currently.
And best your favorite rider anywhere in the world?
Marc Marquez.
Like, what is your dream?
My dream is to reach WSBK near future. I'm practicing for that also.
Dream track you want to ride on?
Catalonia.
If you were given a choice of a bike which is not a racing bike, but you have to ride it on the track, which bike would you choose?
Super Duke.
Super Duke 1290.
Yeah, 1290.
Have you ridden the 1290?
Yeah, I've ridden 1290. Very precise and very aggressive.
इंडिया में यार पता नहीं क्यों नहीं ला रहे. KTM, if you're listening here, please get 1290. He will win the 1000cc championship on the 1290.
1290.
I recall a dialogue from your mom.
Yes.
She said on the track, I don't remember correctly, she said that बेटा तेज चलाना but आराम से चलाना.
आराम से
कुछ क्या वो क्या था?
ऐसा ही कुछ था.
आइडल वो बन गए हो आप बहुत लोगों का इंडिया में, कि अगर फैमिली सपोर्ट हो तो ऐसा हो कि सीधा जिताए. ट्राई कर सकते हो आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बताने के लिए कि मुझे रेस करना है. पहली बात तो यहाँ पे बाइक लेना ही अपने आप में एक अचीवमेंट है, पेरेंट्स को समझा के कि नहीं बेटा बहुत डेंजरस है, बाइक मत लो आप.
बाइक मत लो.
But anyway guys, so here you go. I tried to speak as much as I could with the champion, and I wish you all the best.
Thank
and
you.
he was doing something which he is not really trained for. मतलब अभी ये ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है यहाँ पे.
So guys, this is the OTR Dirt Park, and you heard a lot of things from the horse's mouth. Because he is the champion, you have to listen to him. And ऐसे नहीं कि आप तेज़ चलाते हो रोड पे, इसका मतलब है कि आप ट्रैक पे भी तेज़ चला सकते हो. सो इसलिए पहले अपनी कैपेबिलिटी टेस्ट करने के लिए आप प्लीज़ 3 ट्रैक एंड है में वहाँ जाओ. You can also probably hire some bikes, or you can join a school where they will give you a motorcycle also, maybe 150, 200, 250cc. वैसे आपको बड़ी बाइक की ज़रूरत नहीं है सीखने के लिए. I would like to call the person behind the dirt park here, which has enabled a lot of people to actually hone their skills. So he is Nitin Jeet, and we know since each other since 15 years.
Yeah.
So I'm very glad that we 3 individuals are someone who have actually pursued our passion. We have never let it go. That is one of the common things between us. Other than that, I'm not an off-road guy like him. And definitely ये जो बीच में खड़े हैं, he is intersecting the world of track and the off-road.
This is OTR Dirt Park. We restarted this in November of 2020. What goes into making a dirt park? Essentially, see, you need a decent enough size land. This is about 2.5-3 acres of land. If somebody is willing to come to and start learning at OTR, they can always contact us. We are there on Instagram. Our contact details are here. We are here in Gurgaon.
I'll put it in the description.
We are just off Gurgaon Faridabad Road in Baliawas, Gwal Pahadi. Anybody who wants to come here is more than welcome to. We have training facilities. You can get your own bike, or we can provide you bikes as well.
So which bike do you give?
We'll give you an Impulse or an X-Pulse. These are the 2 bikes that we have.
And what is the cost?
On a weekend, it's around $500 for a session. We don't put a limit. You want to come at 6 o'clock and ride till 6 in the evening, feel free to do it. We don't put any time limits. On a weekday, it's $300.
Okay. So there you go guys, 2 champions. And अभी आपने सिमरन किंग का देखा इंटरव्यू. We will have a dedicated interview with this man because he's also champion and apne aap mein he's on in his own league. So keep a track of all the people you see on Motographer Talks. See you again.